The SAP Certified Configuration Consultant Legacy Concur Travel Professional Edition exam has changed. If you're preparing using only theory or old multiple choice questions, you're preparing for the wrong exam. The new SAP performance-based exam measures how you configure and manage legacy Concur travel through realistic business scenarios. If you're a consultant or support consultant, this video will show you exactly how SAP exam tasks are presented and the practical skills you need to succeed. Instead of memorization, you'll work through realistic implementation scenarios, analyzing customer requirements, configuring the system, justifying your decisions, and answering follow-up questions just like in the actual exam. Let's begin. You're assigned to configure legacy Concur travel for a multinational company. The customer wants a complete implementation that supports employee travel booking while following company policies. Question: where do you begin? Best response: start by reviewing business requirements. Identify company travel policies. Configure company administration. Then configure travel system administration based on customer needs. Validate the configuration before deployment. Cross-question: the customer requests configuration changes halfway through implementation. What should you do first? Answer: review the updated business requirements. Determine configuration impact. Adjust settings systematically. Retest affected functionality before moving forward. Exam tip: SAP evaluates structured implementation decisions, not configuration speed. Scenario 2. Company administration configuration. A customer has multiple business units with different travel policies. Question: how should the consultant configure the system? Answer: use company administration to establish organization-specific settings. Configure policies according to business requirements. Ensure each unit follows its approved travel rules while maintaining centralized administration. Cross-question: why shouldn't every employee receive identical travel settings? Answer: different departments often have different approval flows, travel limits, and policy requirements. Configuration should reflect business processes. Exam tip: always map configuration to customer requirements instead of assuming default settings. If you're finding these SAP exam simulation scenarios helpful, practice consistently. Platforms like Pass4Success provide AI role-play style exercises, timed practice, flashcards, revision notes, and mock exams that closely mirror the latest SAP exam format. Regular SAP hands-on practice builds the confidence needed for implementation-focused assessments. Scenario 3. Travel system administration users report inconsistent booking behavior after deployment. Question: where should you investigate? Answer: review travel system administration. Verify booking configurations. Check travel rules. Confirm that administrative settings align with company policies. Cross-question: should you immediately recreate the configuration? Answer: no. First, analyze existing settings. Identify the root cause. Modify only the necessary configuration. Exam tip: troubleshooting begins with analysis, not rebuilding. Scenario 4. Customer requirement analysis. A client requests several custom travel policies. Some requests conflict with existing business processes. Question: how should the consultant proceed? Answer: clarify business objectives. Evaluate each request. Determine whether configuration supports the requirement. Recommend solutions that balance customer expectations with system capabilities. Cross-question: should every customer request automatically become a configuration? Answer: no. Consultants should validate business value before implementing configuration changes. Exam tip: business analysis comes before system configuration. Scenario 5. Final validation. Before go-live configuration is complete, the customer is ready for production. Question: what's your final responsibility? Answer: perform end-to-end validation. Verify administrative settings. Confirm travel workflows. Ensure configurations satisfy all documented business requirements before deployment. Cross-question: why is validation essential? Answer: because incorrect configuration affects business operations and user experience. Validation minimizes implementation risks before production. Exam tip: never consider implementation complete until configuration has been fully verified. Today you completed 5 realistic exam tasks. You practiced implementation planning, company administration, travel system administration, customer requirements analysis, and final validation. The practical skills expected in the new performance-based certification exam. Continue your preparation by exploring the certification playlist for more AI roleplay simulations covering additional exams. For more exam simulations, revision notes, flashcards, and full-length mock exams, visit pass4success.com and keep building your consulting skills. If this video helped you apply your knowledge instead of simply memorizing answers, like the video, subscribe, and share it with other SAP professionals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next certification training video.